Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw Amazon affiliate commissions. Now if you have earned affiliate commissions, I'm going to be showing you how we can withdraw your money to either your bank account, or you can just get a check if you want. There are like multiple methods, there are multiple payment methods to get your money from Amazon. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for Amazon Associate. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Amazon Associate, as you can see. After that you want to click on amazon.com associate. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, to withdraw your money, you want to click here on your Gmail. You want to click on your Gmail, and after that there will be like 4 options here. You want to click on account settings. Okay, so after, guys, you click on account settings, it will take you guys to this page. You want to click on change payment method. Of course, we are not going to change the payment method. We just want to add the payment method there so that we can receive our money. Okay, so here there are like multiple options. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you can either use a gift card, you can like get a Amazon gift card, or you can get a check, or you can add the bank account. Like if you have Payoneer, you can add your own bank account, just like I did. As you can see, I'm getting paid using my bank account from Payoneer. I got this bank account, US bank account from Payoneer. Now you just need to click on add bank and click again on add new bank, and then you can add here the account holder name, and you can add the account number. All this information will be available on your Payoneer. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. Okay, so I'm going to click here on Payoneer. That's if you want to withdraw money to Payoneer, and then you can then send the money from Payoneer to your bank account, your local bank account. Okay, if that makes sense. So let's see, I like to use Payoneer like to receive payments. Like I said, after you log into your Payoneer, this is just for people who are using Payoneer. Click on get paid and click on receivings accounts, and click on search here for USD. As you can see, bank in the USA, and as you can see, this is the bank number, the receiving number, the account type, the name of your bank. As you can see, the bank address, everything is available here. Okay, so after you add all of this, if I click on save, and you will see the bank here. Keep in mind that, okay, a lot of people don't know this. I know that's why I'm going to mention this in this like tutorial. Like Amazon pays out money every month after 2 months from the moment you got the commissions. So basically, if you made, for example, $100 for like after you sign up for Amazon affiliate program, and then you earned $100 in just 10 days, keep like that $100 is not going to, like, they are not going to send it to you, like they are only going to send it to you after 2 months. Okay, so you will have to wait 2 months. Like basically Amazon payments are sent 2 months following the end of the month in which they were earned. Okay, that's exactly what I want to try to say here. So if you made $100, for example, in December, you are not going to get it in December, and in January you are not going to get it. Okay, so you will have to wait 2 months. Okay, so that's exactly what you need, guys, to do. After you add here the bank account, the money will be sent to the bank account automatically. You just need to wait 2 months, like I said, after you earn commissions. Okay, that's exactly how Amazon works, how Amazon Associate works. Okay, so if this one, guys, helped you, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Go to the comments below and ask me any question. I reply to everyone, and make sure to drop a like, and see you guys in the next one.